Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here. This is a deep tissue muscle massager and a high frequency vibration device. And it comes by the good old Hayako. It's designed in the United States, and this is the Hayako R3 Pro. It's a 3-in-1 high-frequency vibration therapy massager, plus a percussion massage gun. 16mm amplitude deep tissue muscle massage gun relieves the full body musculoskeletal pain. We have here a revolutionary 3-in-1 massager using the high-frequency vibration therapy with a powerful proprietary magnetic coupling and adjustable therapy head. It sends therapeutic vibrations waves to every part of the body. For those who have tried everything else, including doctors, pedestrians, spine massage therapy, medications, surgery, acupuncture, physical therapy, and pain injections, this here is often a turn. Because we have a full body therapy, the shearing force of planar wave energy can safely penetrate supple, healthy tissue, but it easily absorbs the sensitive, dense scar tissue, resulting in quick, painless, and lasting relief. We enjoy a full body experience with a non-invasive vibration massage, without scars, no additional pain, nor surgical interventions, no side effects. This helps quickly relax the muscles, relieve the tension and discomfort throughout the body. This is ideal for busy professionals and athletes. And this massage gun is for professional athletes too, of course. After workout, after training, we need a lot of time to improve the blood and the lymph flow. The combination of the high-frequency therapy at this time can produce about 120 short beats per second. The optimal frequency for resonance with scar tissue delivers a fresh lymphatic fluid to the fascia for a treatment and prevention of the fascial adhesion. And we have a powerful Quad 2 brushless motors with 5 speeds. The muscle massage gun reaches up to 2,500 rounds per minute and penetrates up to 60mm deep. The 4,000 up to 6,000 RPM quick release therapy produces about 120 short strokes per second. And even with an additional pressure, the motor won't slow down. And in the box, we have 9 attachments. Includes 2 fixed metal heads to treat multiple areas, including the back shoulders, the elbows, the wrists, the waist, the thighs, the knees, and even feet. The battery life is 2 up to 4 hours, depending on the selected speed, of course. And thanks to the quick charge function of the faster gun, our R3 Pro is ready to use again in only 30 minutes. This is a perfect healing gift, because the R3 Pro massager aimed at faster relaxations and muscle recovery. This is an ideal for athletes, body professionals, and health enthusiasts alike. Physiotherapists trust this product for optimal recovery, and it comes in a good box and a good shape and makes a good job. We have all what we need. A big, nice to handle device with 3 buttons. The first button in the center is to switch it on and switch it off by pushing and hold it for approximately 2 seconds. And then we have 2 areas where we are going to use that. The upper area and the bottom area. And we can choose them separately. The upper button is for the front, and the other is for the bottom device or motor. So you can choose what's better for you, the big one or for the additional parts. And then if you push against on the button, you can switch between the motors. And of course, you can switch between a lot of speed options to make it faster. And then you can start with a better life, with a fast refreshing after a hard workout. This is possible with that device here. This is the Hyako R3 Pro. This is 3-in-1 high-frequency vibration therapy massager plus a percussion massage gun with a 16mm amplitude deep tissue muscle massage gun options. This relieves the full body musculoskeletal pain in a fast time. Really cool device, really good designed, and easy to use. And of course, you can reload it by USB-C. So you can use your AC adapter, maybe, for example, from your smartphone. It's possible to reload that device with that. Easy peasy, baby. Or you can reload it by using a power bank, or a computer, or a laptop, or something else. USB-C makes it possible. And with the lot of additional parts, you're ready for relaxing the entire body areas. With the Hyako R3 Pro, this makes it possible for a better and nicer, refreshed life after workout, for example. So, take it and have fun with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. And this here is not only for professionals. This is for everyone and for professionals. If you like the best, this one is here for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!